Welcome to 5727 Baja Mar. 5 bedroom, 7 bath, 1 half bath, 9,176 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look. It's absolutely amazing that that's probably a 2,000-pound door, but since it's on a pivot, it shuts and opens easily. Absolutely incredible. As we work our way through, dining room here, all kinds of fun designer touches, and then also as we work our way over here, into the kitchen, obviously. Wolf oven, get your meal every morning, get the espresso rocking. Absolutely incredible Sub-Zero fridge and freezer. 6-burner Wolf stovetop. These Fleetwood doors open all the way up to your pool. Jacuzzi, pretty much the nicest views you can see in San Diego. The zero edge, the water cascading. I mean, this pool's ready for like some cannonballs. You have the sitting area there, but then we also work our way back. Big DCS barbecue, 2 outdoor fridges. As we work our way back off of the pool, jacuzzi, outdoor kitchen, family room here, and then as we work our way up, we have dual steps on either side, and this works its way to a beautiful living room right off of the front entry. Absolutely incredible. 2 different zones that you can hang out and enjoy. Then these Fleetwoods, they do not disappoint. One hand, get them going, open it up. That's why we live in San Diego. The indoor-outdoor feel of this property is absolutely incredible. We work our way to the immediate right. You have a closet, you have your toilet, dual sinks, soaking tub. Every one of the showers in this house is a steam shower. And then we work our way into the main bedroom itself. Now that we've seen the main level, let's work our way going downstairs. Exercise room. You're jabbing, you're doing your thing, you got the boxing gloves, grab some weights, have some fun. TV here. So as we work our way around this corner, the buddy's over, the wife's over, let's go, we're having football, we're having movie night. We got the popcorn machine over there, and then the ultimate, right here, you got yourself a ping pong table. This is an absolutely fun, rustic, cool room. So we came off that lower level where the media room is and the workout room. The nice part is obviously we have real grass. My client loved that. We have the steps that come through. And then as we work our way out, incorporated this really cool water feature that cascades down, fire pit all the way around. The goal was to have some nice seats in here. You incorporate fire, water, pool, and you're sitting here and you're looking at that. Those south views are absolutely incredible. Working our way back, main level, back at the entry, newly constructed. I mean, just great use of wood, metal. The glass railings were absolutely clean. So this is a brand new primary bedroom and bathroom. A large soaking tub. Once again, another steam shower. The indoor-outdoor living in this house is one of the coolest that I've ever seen. Use the Ipe deck up here. Obviously, with a house like this, you're gonna have to make some money to pay for it. This is where you're gonna make the money to pay for it. The office, right off of the primary bedroom up top, sitting here, closing deals, looking at those views. That's what it's all about. There's another bedroom up here, which is great. So you have a primary there, office there, closet, and then full tub and shower here. You do have an additional bedroom, full bath. It even has a fireplace for those cold, chilly nights in San Diego. One of the neatest things about this property is the home automation. It's a Crestron system. Trust me, I'm not the most techie person. You can literally control all of your media, all the TVs from here, all of your lights, your shades. We walk in, boom, you press one button, all of them go up. Climate, cameras, all your settings. It's an incredible system that is easy to use. That's why I love it. Thank you so much for touring 5727 Baja Mar here in La Jolla, California. If you have any questions about this home, I'm Mark Magstadt with the team of Maxine and Marty Gellens at Berkshire Hathaway. Feel free to give us a call, 619-370-7653. Bye-bye.